Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to temporarily deactivate your Facebook account. So first, open your Facebook. So right here, I'm using a Facebook Lite. And now tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen, and I want you to scroll down until you find the settings and privacy. So if you tap this one, you will find the settings. So tap that settings button. Now here, I want you to tap on personal and account information. Now under that settings, tap on access and control. So tap this one and then tap this deactivation and deletion. Now right here, you can now deactivate your account. Deactivating your account is temporary. Your account will be disabled and your name and photos will be removed from most things you've shared, and you'll be able to continue using Messenger. Now tap on continue, and here's the page and proof that will be deactivated. So tap on continue. Once you re-enter your password, right here you can now put the reason why do you want to deactivate your account. So for this sample, I want to choose this is temporary, I'll be back. And then once you've done, you can now tap on continue. And you can see right here, taking a break from Facebook. As you can see, reactivating your account right over here. It says if you plan to return to Facebook, make sure you still have access to the email address or phone number you used to log into Facebook, or we can automatically reactivate your account for you. This will make your profile active and enabled. So you can set up this one, but I don't want to reactivate it automatically. So the final page, as you can see right here, you can now deactivate your account using this button. Tap on deactivate my account. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.